The English proverb, haste makes waste, advises against rushing or acting too quickly because doing so can lead to mistakes, inefficiency, or wasted efforts. The proverb suggests that when people hurry through a task without proper care or attention to detail, they are more likely to make errors or oversights that can result in additional time, effort, or resources being required to correct those mistakes. In other words, the initial speed or haste in completing a task can lead to a less efficient and more wasteful outcome. It serves as a reminder that taking the time to do things carefully and thoughtfully can ultimately save time and resources in the long run. By avoiding hurried or reckless actions, individuals can prevent unnecessary errors and problems, ensuring a more efficient and effective outcome. In essence, haste makes waste encourages people to balance the desire for speed with the need for accuracy and thoroughness. It highlights the importance of patience and diligence in various tasks, and endeavors to achieve better results and avoid unnecessary setbacks or waste. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos.